Welcome to Narisaki. Today we are making oil-free healthy pickle and the ingredients are very healthy. Turmeric, ginger, green chilies and some spices with lemon juice. It is oil-free. So let's get started. I have here chopped turmeric. They are peeled and chopped. Turmeric, ginger, green chilies and fenugreek seeds and fennel seeds. Now, when you're making this pickle, make sure everything is dry on a kitchen towel and then chop it. And I have a video on how to chop, store turmeric and ginger. I'm going to put it in the description for you. So I'm adding everything to the bowl. A bowl should be also dry because we want to preserve it. So that's one of the tips, that everything should be dry. Turmeric is very healthy. It helps digestion and so many good things turmeric and ginger has. So now I'm going to add some salt. That will also help preserving this pickle. Fennel seeds, very good for digestion. It will add a good flavor. Those who are diabetic, I'm adding some fenugreek seeds and mix it very well. And also we are going to add some asafoetida to this, a little like 1/4 teaspoon. That also helps digestion. So this pickle will help get your digestive juices going. So mix it very well. And now I'm going to store it in a glass jar. Avoid using plastic as lemon juice may react with turmeric and everything. So this glass jar bottle is also, make sure it's dried, completely cleaned, no water. So I'm going to add this mix into this bottle. And what we're going to do is we're going to add fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice will also help it in storing. Now, if you can keep it in the sunlight, then keep it in the sunlight for 2 days and it will marinate very nicely, and then keep it in the refrigerator. But if you don't have the opportunity to put it in the sunlight, then just keep it in the countertop for a few hours and then put it in the refrigerator. Shake it very well so everything gets mixed up. Even if you put it in the sunlight, make sure you shake it once a day. And this can be stored in the refrigerator. It can be served as a side dish. Very healthy pickle. And all this fenugreek and fennel seed will swell and it will add flavor to the pickle. So store it in the refrigerator once it gets marinated. And please subscribe Narisaki for more videos and post any comments you may have. Thank you very much for watching.